Hey guys, what's up? We're in my office. I am so excited. I just feel like on top of the world right now because I haven't filmed in here yet, but I'm really excited just to start filming videos in here. And I apologize for the echo. There is not much furniture in here yet. Hopefully within the next couple of months I can really get my office. Do you guys see this light though? Like, I'm sorry, I'm just getting a little bit sidetracked here. I'm really excited about the lighting because the sun shines in like all day in here and it is the best thing in the entire world. But yeah, anyways, we're sitting in my office and I can't wait to get a couch in here, a coffee table, coffee cart. I'm thinking, like, I have all these ideas, you guys. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I'm kind of going with like a, you know what, I'm not even gonna tell you right now. Yeah, anyways, today's video is just gonna be a little vlog of me here. I have a lot to update you guys on, and I also am so excited because your girl has a shoe haul to show you guys right now. Like, do y'all see all of these shoes right now? Oh my gosh, I'm in shoe heaven. See this coffee cup that I just got recently? I have never loved something so much. Today I'm working with Shoe Dazzle on this video to show you guys a bunch of shoes that I picked out for the fall time, and I am so excited to show them to you guys because I picked them out a while ago, so some of them, like, I remember what I picked out and some of them I kind of forget, so it's gonna be a nice surprise for me too because I honestly kind of forget some of the ones that I got, and there are so many. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 pairs of shoes to show you guys. So when I first picked out these shoes on Shoe Dazzle's website, it was super simple. All I did was go to their website and I took this kind of like personal quiz to see what my style was, and then they kind of recommended certain outfits and shoes for me to pick from. I like the fact that on Shoe Dazzle, you kind of feel very fancy and excited about your new shoes, but you're not breaking the bank to do it. They're super affordable. I moved into this whole new house, so I'm trying to be as budget friendly as possible. Also, especially because shoes, like, the trends just change all the time, so it's really hard and expensive to keep up with all of them. So finding affordable ways to keep up with the trends is like the perfect solution. And I don't know about you guys, but a good pair of shoes makes me feel so confident. Something about wearing a new pair of sneakers or heels out, I just feel so confident and I want to really show them off. And Shoe Dazzle also has something for everyone, whether you're a career-driven woman or you're a mom or a student, whatever it is that you are, they have something for you on their website. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is just take them all out of the boxes so that way you guys can get a nice display of them. But yeah, this is what the boxes look like from Shoe Dazzle. I love the pink. I'm just gonna unbox this first one on camera for you guys, that way you can see. Oh, I remember these. Like, hello, yes, this is amazing. Like, have you guys ever seen a slipper like this? One thing that's really awesome about Shoe Dazzle is they actually make all of their clothing and shoes in-house, so everything is super exclusive and you won't be able to find it anywhere else. Barely fit up on my new dresser. By the way, your girl is moving up in the world. These are some over-the-knee boots down here, but I got a new dresser for my office that stores like all of my own stuff. So as you can see, all my bras and stuff are in here. Oh my gosh, sidetracked, but this is like the best thing ever because now we have way more space. I'm actually gonna put these on right now. Okay, can we just take a moment for these? These are definitely my new house slipper. These are so comfortable and just like, I love how bougie they are and just like over the top. I'm really also grateful that I got a pedicure recently. Okay, so back to the rest of the shoes. I got this really cute pair of sneakers. I love the silver detailing on the back. And then I think I'm gonna try these on after I go through everything, you guys, but these are some killer heels. Like, is that not the most beautiful shoe you have ever seen in your entire life? I really don't wear wedges too much, so I thought I would get a pair. And these just kind of like wrap up again. Oh, I wrapped this one weird. This one is better. So they kind of just like wrap up your ankle as well, which I thought would be a really cute, especially like I said, because I just don't wear wedges or don't have any wedges to wear. So thank God for Shoe Dazzle because I got some. Y'all already know I'm gonna be wearing these all winter. I cannot wait to wear these for like the Christmas season. I feel like white boots are just like the perfect thing for around that time. These boots are actually velvet and I just thought that they would be a good basic booty to have. I feel like these on Valentine's Day would just be everything. I know I'm getting ahead of myself, but like, come on guys, these are beautiful. I love this color pink, so I really don't have many shoes in colors, so when I saw those I knew I had to get them. And then lastly, down here I got this pair of over the knee boots. So I've never had a pair of these either, and these kind of have a cool detailing, if you guys can see on the back. Yeah, so it has kind of like this cool tie-up detailing on the back of them, so I thought that that was really pretty. As you guys can see, there are so many options on ShoeDazzle, from booties, wedges, pumps, heels, sneakers, slides. There is everything and more on their website to choose from, so whatever it is that you are looking for, they probably have on there for you. They make it super easy too to stay on trend every month, like I said, without breaking the bank. And they also have a really nice organizational system on their website, so if you're new to ShoeDazzle, I would recommend going to the new arrivals, maybe the seasonal section, or the best sellers to pick out some new shoes for yourself, because it can be overwhelming when you're going on a new website for the first time. I also have a very special link for you guys that I'll leave in the description box down below. If you click on that, you will get 50% off your first order when you sign up for VIP. So I highly recommend doing that, obviously, because 50% off your order is insane. Like, that is a really good discount. So I highly recommend clicking the link down below, and thank you so much to ShoeDazzle for sponsoring this video. I was so excited to work with them, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of those amazing shoes behind me. So we're in my kitchen now, and I just thought I would show you guys a super easy, healthy-ish recipe that I like to make a lot of the times. This is definitely one of those things that you can make it as healthy as you want it to be. So if you want to add a lot of butter and cheese and all of those things, it can be really unhealthy, but if you just portion it outright, it can still be a calorie deficit meal, and it can help you lose weight. So yeah, I just thought I would show you because I haven't cooked anything in here and shown you guys yet. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna make a quesadilla. So I have some chicken that we buy pre-cooked and grilled, so you just kind of have to heat it up on a skillet on the stove. And then as for the ingredients, it is literally so simple, you guys. All I do is I like it hot, so I'm gonna make a buffalo chicken one. So I have some Frank's red hot sauce right here. I use Mexican cheese for mine, and then also I have these whole wheat multi-grain tortillas. So that is literally all you need for this. If you don't want to have chicken, you don't have to. Feel free to do whatever it is that you want, but these are the ingredients that I use. So I'm just going to wait for the chicken to cook up, and then I will touch back with you guys. So I just finished cooking the chicken, and now I'm just going to cut this into pretty small pieces. My fridge just made a noise, and that was so terrifying. So this chicken that we have is like grilled chicken, like it was previously made on the grill, and it just tastes so good. I wish we like got it at a regular store so that way I could tell you guys where to get it, but we get it at like this random place nearby where we live, so I can't really like tell you guys where to get it. All right, so next thing I'm doing is just turning on this burner right here and putting it on a pretty low heat, and you want to make sure that you use a pretty big skillet as well, just that way you can fit the tortilla on it comfortably. I take a little bit of my Pam spray. I know this is not the best for you, but I just spray a little bit on the pan like that. I spray Pam on the pan, okay? And then I just take one of my tortillas and I kind of just rub it all around on there to make sure the whole thing gets covered with some Pam. All you have to do after that is add on your cheese. So yeah, I'm using the Mexican cheese, and try and just evenly spread it out as much as you can. The serving size for this cheese is about 1/4 of a cup. I really don't have that much left, so I'm probably just gonna use all that I have left in here. Plus, keep in mind I had a small breakfast this morning, so I can kind of have a little bit more room to play with my lunch today. So yeah, I'm just adding all of this cheese on first, trying to make sure that I get pretty much everywhere with it. And now just go ahead and add your chicken, and make sure you only add it on 1/2 of the tortilla, so kind of like mentally make a line of where the middle of it is, so that way you don't put it everywhere. And now the last step is adding on the hot sauce. So I personally like it pretty spicy, but also keep in mind that with the cheese melting and everything, it kind of dilutes the hot sauce-ness a little bit, so it might be a little bit less spicy than you're expecting. So I say add a little bit more if you want. Now all you have to do is take a spatula and kind of just fold it in half. And if I can do this right. So what you want to do after you fold it is kind of just push down the sides a little bit. This way it'll be less likely that things will fall out when you're constantly flipping it over, so that way it, you know, cooks evenly on both sides. And now this only takes probably about 5 minutes or so. It depends on what heat you have it on. I have it on like 3, so pretty low. So it should only take about 5 minutes or so, and then both sides will be toasted. So once you see it kind of looking like this on both sides, it is pretty much done. So you can take it off the stove whenever you see it at a place where you like it. So to me, this is looking pretty good right now. Okay, so here is my finished quesadilla. As you guys can see, I just cut into it. Oh, she's dripping. Okay, so that is what it looks like. It looks amazing. I am so excited to eat this. What I like to do with mine is cut it up into pretty small slices, just because it kind of tricks me into thinking that I'm eating a lot more than I am. So I don't think I'm going to have any ranch with it today, but if I were, one thing I recommend you guys do is put it into a container, just a little bit of ranch, and add some water to it, because that'll give you a bigger portion, but it won't add any added calories on. And again, it'll just kind of like trick you into thinking that you're having more than you actually are. I actually learned that trick from Amy Macedo. If you guys watch her, she mentioned that, and I've been doing that ever since with my sauces, so I really like that little trick. If you guys make this, please let me know. I definitely want to start adding more to it, just because I feel like you could do so many things, like so many different vegetables. But yeah, for right now I'm having a buffalo chicken one, and I'm just gonna have this water on the side. I recently got these glasses from Anthropology. I got 2 of them. They're, I think, meant for wine, which I had wine in them the other night, but right now I'm having water in it just because I think it is so pretty. So I just finished eating. It was so good. Fab actually had a little bit of it too, because I couldn't even finish it, you guys. I don't know. Lately I just haven't been as hungry as I normally am. Anyways, it was really, really good. Like, highly recommend you guys make that if you like spicy chicken, buffalo chicken, anything like that. Try it out. Everyone that I make it for too loves it, like all of Fab's friends and stuff. I was actually editing this vlog like right now, and I realized that it's pretty long already, so I'm probably going to end it soon. But one thing I really want to update you guys on that I feel like is a little bit overdue is the newest member to our family. I have not shown on YouTube, but I have talked about it on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, everything like that, that Fab and I adopted a kitten. She was found on the side of the road by a friend of ours, and we were just like, you know what, let's get her. So we adopted her. Her name is Fendi, and we got her, she was 4 weeks. She's probably doubled in size now since we got her. Where is she? She's somewhere in my office right now. She likes to roam around, but yeah, she is just like the most perfect kitten ever. I grew up with cats, so I'm kind of used to kittens, but this is Fab's first kitten, and she's just so perfect. Like, she loves people. She's pretty good about the bathroom. She's getting better. Like, we're trying, but she's so young that it's hard to like teach her yet, just because of how young she is. Like, for a while she couldn't even have regular food. She could only have milk. She actually just ate. Fab gave her some food before this, and she is so bloated, you guys. It is so funny. Like, I feel bad, but she gets so bloated when she eats even like the littlest bit of food, just because of how small she is. And she's doubled in size since we got her. So yeah, enough talking. Let me just finally introduce you guys to her. She's having the time of her life right now, playing with all the cords and the plastic. Hey girl! Fendi! I might insert some pictures that we have of her, just so that you guys can get like a really good view of what she looks like. But yeah, she is just like a dream. And she's so fun too. I love how she loves people. All right, you guys, so here she is. Hey girl. She is so crazy. She's trying to get my camera strap. Hi, what's up? Yeah, I don't really know what kind of cat she was. A lot of you guys were asking me on Instagram and stuff, but we just don't really know. We don't even really know how old she is, just because she was found on the side of the road. But yeah, is she not the cutest thing ever? I love her white stomach. And I just like, oh my gosh, she's just the littlest little munchkin ever. And she has the prettiest eyes. She just loves to play. So I don't know if you guys saw all the scratches on my hands. Those are just from her. And if you've never had a cat before, I feel like people think that like sometimes when they scratch, it's just because they don't like you. But for her, it's just because she's playing. Like, see, she's just having fun right now. This is like her dream world, if she could just bite my hands all day long and play with me. But yeah, just to give you guys like a size comparison. When we first got her, she was about the same size as my hand. And now she's like quite a bit bigger than it. But she's still so tiny. Just a lot bigger than when we got her. Oh my god, I love when she stands like this. She's so silly. Oh. Ow. If you like cats, this is for you. And if you don't, I'm sorry. You should, because look at how cute she is. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how cute. She's like, I'm going back to the boxes. See ya. Alright, so I think I'm going to actually end off this vlog right here and start a new one, just because I really want to get content for you guys, and I know you guys like these chill vlogs and just like casual things. So all I really have left to do today is go get this nail fixed before we go out tonight. So yeah, I guess I will vlog another vlog after this, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please let me know what you guys want to see on my channel. I'm so sorry if you can hear her, she's playing with the tissue paper. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed, but I will talk to you in my next video very soon. Bye. I'm twirling the camera strap to the right over here. Look at how tiny she is.